Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to be talking about Xiaomi's EOL list. What is EOL end of life? Let me show you the Xiaomi's EOL list. If your phone is in this EOL list, it means that the mentioned phone models will not get any software updates, firmware updates, including security updates. Also, Xiaomi may no longer respond to security vulnerability reports also. Today we are going to be talking regarding the phone models Redmi 9, Redmi 9A, and Redmi 9 Prime, Indian variants. So if you have this particular phone models, your phone is now end of life. So now you have two options. 1. Exchange and buy a new phone in Amazon Big Indian Festival. 2. Install TWRP recovery and root your phone using Magisk. Video is available in my YouTube channel regarding how to root and unroot any device. Video links will be provided in the description box below. You can choose any one option, but if you don't want to buy a new phone, but if you want to still use your old phone, then you can choose option 2, and after installing TWRP recovery and rooting your phone, it's time to install a new custom ROM. Well, how to install custom ROM? Well, go to Google and first type in your phone model example, Redmi Note 9, and then type in custom ROM. The format is shown in video. Then download any free custom ROM from any developer which you can trust. Then you can search in YouTube how to install custom ROM using TWRP recovery. So that's it for today's video. If this video helps, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss a new update.